Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to make a quick little video to show you something I bought that maybe you guys will enjoy as well, and we'll kind of go through it. It's the LockNLube grease coupler. Many of you probably already have this, but if you are ever greasing your tractor or have any grease zerks that that you are having to lubricate on a regular basis, you'll understand that using a regular grease gun can be kind of a pain in the butt. You get grease everywhere. It's hard to get pushed onto the fittings, and there's all sorts of different things there. So let's go ahead and take this out of the package, and we'll put it on the old grease gun I got. I just got a cheapo grease gun, but it does a good job, and we'll kind of go from there. It says right on here, grease goes in, not on the machine. End greasing frustration. Comes with a free spare seal kit. And you can replace the seal and not the coupler. So this is rated for 10,000 psi. So we'll take a little deeper dive into this and take a go at putting it all together. It says on the back here it's new and improved. It has stronger jaws, longer lasting seal, has an improved design which eliminates pressure locks, and a textured thumb lever to improve grip. Locks on, stays on, won't pop off or leak. Compatible with all grease guns and fittings. Fits standard 1/8 inch NPT hose connection with easily replaceable seal and jaws, with the free kit included like I mentioned before. So I got this on Amazon. I'll put it in the link below here where I got this. I'm not sponsored by these guys. I just saw this on some pages and I thought it'd be really handy, and I know that how much I struggle with trying to get the grease fittings on. So let's take a deeper dive on this one, guys. So here's the grease gun I got. It's the heavy duty grease gun from Menards. Nothing special. And I do like having the hand pump here, though. It would be nice to have a cordless one, but I don't do enough greasing to justify that. This is the grease I always use. Here again, not sponsored by these guys, but if they want to send me some free grease, I wouldn't be opposed there. It's the Lucas Oil Red and Tacky. Seems to work really well. It keeps the bushings on the tractor well lubricated, keeps all the oil out or all the dirt out of the fittings or the bushings there, and it doesn't seem to get everywhere. So, and it also works good in cold climates, from my understanding, which we all know that Iowa is the state of, I don't know, like 12 seasons or something like that. No, I'm just kidding. But let's go ahead and take apart this grease gun. And we'll get this grease put on here and see how it goes. All right, let's go ahead and get this unboxed here. Pretty simple. Front cover off here. See what we got. Got the fitting here. Nice. And then we have in this bag, it looks like that's your extra pieces that come with it here. So your extra internal pieces there. It shows you, and on the front side here, it shows you the directions on how to change out the wear components on the inside here. On my grease gun, it looks like it takes a 9/16 wrench and a 1/2 inch wrench. We'll go ahead and take this off of here. Because it's nice and lubricated, it comes right off. What you'd expect. It's full of grease. Looks like this one will thread right back on there. Get grease all over it. You could put some thread tape on there if you want to, but that's not necessary from my understanding. You shouldn't get any grease out of the fitting there. Oops. You're gonna 1/2 inch will go there. The 9/16 and 1/2 inch. Go ahead and tighten her up. Like that, she's on there. Nice and tight. Pretty slick. That's how it's supposed to be. Easy to do. So let's go ahead and take this over to the tractor, and we'll put on some of the grease zerks, and we'll give her a go and see how well it really does work. Let's go ahead and see how well this locks on here and how well it works. At first go, I haven't even opened it yet, so we'll see how easy this really is to do. It looks like you just push down here and she opens right up. that in the focus so you guys can see a little better. So put her on there and push down on the jaws, slap her on there and let go. See how, oh wow, that's strong stuff. It's nice. Let's give her a few pumps. Wow, that's slick. Wow, look at that, no mess. No mess at all. It's pretty impressive. Let's go over here to a little arm here. It's a little hard to get to. Let's see how this works. Push down on her. Set it on. Snaps right down there. Nice. No grease coming out of it. That's slick. That's awesome. No mess. My hands are clean. It's a win. Usually my hands are red at this point. It's probably also because I'm a novice user, but you know. Let's go up here to the front. Sorry, up top here on the curl cylinder. Right here. This works. Slap right on there. That locks in nice and tight. Well, this is making my life a lot easier. Like I said, I do every 10 hours anyways, but this is gonna make me not dread doing it so much. Right down in here next to the bucket, all these tight different little spots that I usually grease down in. Beautiful, nothing's coming out. Right out where it needs to go. This thing is slick. Best thing I've bought in a while. Well everyone, that's gonna do it for this quick video. I just wanted to give you a quick rundown of this little unit here. It's great, no mess on the end. Quick and easy goes on. It attaches right onto my my grease gun I got here. Seems great. Love it. I don't have any mess on my hands. They're clean. Don't have any grease on me. There's no grease in the tractor. Everybody's happy. So my recommendation, I think it was like 29 bucks. If you're gonna be doing a lot of greasing, or you know, greasing at all with grease zerks, this thing makes life so easy. Highly recommend it. Like I said, it comes with a rebuild kit. Sorry, I can't speak English today. Get out there, get yourself one. I'll put a link here on Amazon. Remember, I'm not, here again, I am not sponsored by these guys. This is just something I found and some other people were talking about, and I see why they're talking about it. It makes life simple. Because, you know, in the routine maintenance video I had before, I talked about greasing, how often you do, and I know people are like, oh, greasing, that sucks. You're right, it does. I don't like it either. But at the end of the day, it's what keeps this Mahindra here running at top shape and things not prematurely wearing out here, which we don't want that. So recommend it. It's LockNLube grease zerk. It's like right around 30 bucks on Amazon. I'm sure you can find it at some local stores as well. So far, well worth the money. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Subscribe to the channel, hit that like button. Appreciate it. Hit that little bell. You guys will get some more notifications when I post some more videos. And just remember, everybody, it's not how well you grease your tractor. It's how well you grease your tractor without making a mess. And, you know, and not cursing and throwing things. Until next time, we'll see ya.